Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you what I'm doing for my husband for Father's Day with this Tablescape. Now my husband absolutely loves chess, so I am doing a chess themed Tablescape, and I'm starting out with this gold knight in the center of this chess table, and this is a medieval chess set that I purchased for him several years ago, and I have that chess set sitting right in the center of this larger chess set that my father-in-law actually made. Now, here on opposite corners, I have these candelabras that I actually thrifted, and in the center portion, I have the king. On the right, I have the queen, and then on the left, I have the knight. And let me take you in a little closer here. I'll just show you this king, which I have this set up for my husband as he's the head of our household. He really enjoyed this tablescape. He thought this was great. As far as tablescapes go, this one he really appreciated. I'll take you in a little bit closer here and show you this chess set and this gold knight in the center. It's actually a mug. We purchased this when we were in Dallas several years ago, and we got this when we went to the Medieval Times restaurant. My father was actually with us when we purchased this, so this is another thing that reminds me of my own father. The larger chess set my father-in-law actually made. This chess themed Father's Day tablescape is really something to encompass my husband, my father-in-law, as well as my father. All of them love playing chess. Here on these opposite corners here, on top of these candlesticks, which I also thrifted, I have these crowns, and I got those gold crowns from Walmart last year after Christmas at their 75% off sale, and those are actually Christmas ornaments. Now let me actually take you in and show you this actual table setting. I'm using a rose gold charger from the Dollar Tree, and on top of that I have this black dinner plate and then a white salad plate. Then for my stemware, I have this tall beer glass along with a shorter glass that I would use for water in this instance. And I thrifted both of those, and I actually just put a thrift haul video up that will show those, as well as some of the candelabras that I purchased, and I'll go ahead and link that up above, so if you're interested in watching that, you can go ahead and see that. And again, this is the opposite corner from the other one, and you can see I used the silver chess pieces here, and again I just used the king, the queen, and then the knight. And I have these like brass plated candelabras that I'm using to set those on. And then I have these black candlesticks on the opposite corners, which I'm using the gold crowns on top of it. And to lift that chessboard up off from the table just a little bit, and to give that a little bit more of a presence, I have a wicker placemat placed underneath it, and then I have just a real thin placemat under that, just so the wooden table doesn't get scratched up by having that chessboard sitting right on top of it. Now, this other place setting that I have, it is with the rose gold charger once again, but on this one I'm actually using the white dinner plate and the black salad plate. And so every other place setting, I have the opposite, either the white dinner plate with the black salad plate, or the black dinner plate with the white salad plate. And then in between the dinner plate and the charger, I just have a linen napkin hanging down in between the two of them. My silverware is just my everyday silverware that was gifted to me. So I love this tablescape. It's something that my husband was really appreciative of when he saw it, as this is something that is near and dear to his heart. He loves playing chess, and so he was really thrilled when he saw this tablescape. Now, to be perfectly honest, he's more interested in the food than how I'm decorating the table. But as far as tablescapes go, this one got a definite thumbs up from him. And here's a little bit closer look at this candlestick with the crown on top of it. And here's just a complete overview. You can see how the place settings are opposite each other as far as the dinner plates and the salad plates. Here's coming in a little bit closer view on that knight and the medieval chess set that we have it sitting on. So this just reminded me of my father, my father-in-law, as well as my husband. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this idea, or my way of presenting a chess-themed tablescape. If you have a chess player in your home, hopefully this will give you an idea on how to decorate something special for them. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.